Changing the phone number on your Snapchat account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your information quickly. Step 1. Open Snapchat. Launch the Snapchat app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Access profile settings. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen to access your profile. Then, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings menu. Step 3. Select mobile number. Scroll down to find the mobile number option in the settings menu. Tap on it to begin the process of changing your phone number. Step 4. Enter new phone number. Input your new phone number in the provided field. Make sure to enter it correctly, as you will receive a verification code. Step 5. Verify your new number. Before starting recovery, use the shrug.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Once you complete these steps, your phone number will be updated on your Snapchat account. If you encounter any issues, consider checking Snapchat's help center for further assistance.